Let me be direct with you. If you are starting on Upwork in 2026, you are not struggling because you're new. You are struggling because you are operating on advice that no longer works. And that's the real problem, because most of what beginners are told is outdated, surface level, and completely disconnected from how Upwork actually works today, especially now. With AI matching, profile restructuring, and algorithm-driven visibility, this is not the same platform it was a year ago. And if you don't understand that, you will keep doing more work and gathering less results. I've been on Upwork for over 15 years. I've earned over $1 million, and I've completed over 1,400 jobs. I've analyzed 4,281 real proposals over a 6-month period. So what I'm about to show you is not theory, it's pattern. And once you see these patterns, everything starts to make sense. So let's get into it. Hard truth number 1. You are not losing because you're new. This is the first thing most beginners believe. I just need more experience. I need more reviews. I need to build my profile first. And while that sounds logical, it's not what actually is happening. Clients are not rejecting you because you're new. They are rejecting you because you don't feel relevant to their problem. There are freelancers getting hired every single day with 0 reviews because they understand one thing. The client is not hiring a profile. They are hiring a solution. And if you can reflect that solution clearly, you can compete immediately. Relevance beats experience every single time. Hard truth number 2, most jobs are not real opportunities. This one changes everything once you accept it. Not every job on Upwork is meant to be won. In fact, a large percentage of jobs should never be bid on. Some jobs are posted by clients who are just exploring ideas, comparing pricing, not ready to hire, or not even serious. And if you spend your time bidding on those jobs, you will feel like nothing works. You'll think your proposals are bad. You'll think you're not good enough. But the reality is you are trying to win jobs that were never meant to be won. And that's a completely different problem. Hard truth number 3. Proposal writing is overhyped. This might be one of the most important things you hear because beginners obsess over proposal writing. They rewrite, they tweak, they try to sound more professional. But from the 4,281 proposals that I've analyzed, the biggest factor was not how well the proposal was written. It was what job they chose to bid on. You can write an amazing proposal and still get ignored because the client is not ready, because the job is low intent, because you applied too late. So instead of asking, how do I write a better proposal, you should be asking, was this even the job worth bidding on? Hard truth number 4, clients are not reading your proposal. They are not sitting there carefully reviewing every word. They are scanning. And fast. They are looking for signals. Do you understand what I need? Do you feel relevant? Do you feel easy to work with? And then they decide within seconds. So when beginners write long proposals, trying to explain everything, trying to prove everything, it actually works against them because clarity beats volume. Always. If your first few lines don't land, the rest does not matter. Hard truth number 5, low pricing makes you look risky, not attractive. Beginners think if I lower my price, I'll get hired faster. But what actually it is the opposite. Low pricing signals lack of confidence, lack of experience, higher risk, and clients are not looking for the cheapest option. They are looking for the safest option. someone who feels like they understand the job, someone who feels predictable, someone who feels like they don't create more problems. So lowering your price does not help. It often hurts your positioning. Hard truth number 6, high-intent jobs don't look exciting. Beginners are drawn to flashy jobs, creative descriptions, big ideas, lots of engagement. But those are often low-intent jobs. The real opportunities, simple, clear, direct. Need website built? Ready to start. Looking for a video editor for ongoing work. They don't look exciting, but they convert. Boring jobs win because those clients are already in a decision mode. Hard truth number 7, timing is not a strategy and not luck. Most beginners don't even think about this. They see a job and they apply whenever they get to it. But timing is critical. If a job already has 50 plus proposals, then you are too late. And now you're competing in a crowded space. Even a strong proposal struggles there. But early proposals within the first 30 to 60 minutes have significantly higher visibility. They get seen. They get responses. So this is not about luck. This is about positioning yourself early. Hard truth number 8, your profile is now a data system. This is one of the biggest shifts in 2026. Upwork removed specialized profiles. Now everything is connected. Your job history, your categories, your keywords, your outcomes, and the platform dynamically decides what to show clients, which means your past work becomes your future visibility. If your profile is scattered, your result will be scattered. If your work is consistent, your visibility increases. This is why freelancers who stay in one lane start to win over time, because the system understands them. Hard truth number 9, random bidding is quietly hurting you. This connects directly to the last point. When beginners bid on everything, they think they are increasing their chances, but they are actually doing is confusing the algorithm. One day is a logo job, the next day is a website, then it's writing. No one pattern. So Upwork doesn't know where to place you. And when the system does not understand you, it can't match you up. Predictability wins in 2026, not randomness. Hard truth number 10, you do not need more bids. You need better filter. Most beginners respond to struggles by increasing volume. I just need to send them more proposals. But the more proposals on the wrong job just leads to burnout. Instead, you need a filter. This is what I teach. The buyer framework. Budget matches the scope. Urgency signals are present. Yes, energy from the client. Exact deliverables are clear. Record of hiring exists. If a job does not meet these, you do not bid. And when you apply this, everything changes. You stop wasting time. You focus on real opportunities and your response rate improves. Hard truth number 11, you are not selling, you are aligning. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. Beginners try to sell themselves. They try to convince a client. They try to prove they are the best, but the best freelancers don't do that. They align, they recognize, they reflect. It looks like you need, this seems like you're trying to. That's how conversations start, because now the client feels understood, and understanding builds trust faster than persuasion. Hard truth number 12, trying harder will not fix this. This is the biggest one because it's what most people do. When things are not working, they try harder, more proposals, more effort. more rewriting. But effort without direction does not create results. Strategy does. And this is where the transformation happens. From hopeful applicant to strategic selector. You stop chasing every job. You start choosing the right ones. You stop guessing. You start recognizing patterns. And once that happens, everything becomes more predictable. Let's bring this together. If you are not getting results on Upwork, it's not because the platform is broken. It's not because you're not good enough. It's because you're bidding on low-intent jobs. You're focusing on writing instead of selecting. You're trying to prove instead of align. And once you correct those, everything simplifies. You bid less, you get better responses, and you attract better clients. And you feel more in control. That's the shift. If this changed how you see Upwork, then you are exactly where you need to be. Because this is what I teach inside my Reset series, where I break down how to move from hopeful applicant to strategic selector to system builder using real data, real patterns, and real experience. Based on 15 plus years on Upwork, over $1 million earned, 1,400 jobs completed, and 4,281 jobs analyzed. Because the future of freelancing, especially in 2026, is not about trying harder. It's about becoming predictable. Predictable to the client, predictable to the algorithm. And once that happens, you stop guessing and you start winning. If you are ready for that shift, then join my Reset live stream, and I will show you exactly how to apply this step by step. See you then. Until then, be freelantastic.